Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the short you want to edit or view. Tap the three-dot menu or the settings gear. This immediately surfaces caption options. You need to know whether captions were auto-generated or uploaded because that determines removal steps. Once you see the Captions or CC toggle, press it to reveal more controls. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if editing, because edit permissions affect whether you can remove captions or only hide them while viewing. Next, decide whether you will hide captions for viewing or permanently remove them. If you uploaded captions, open YouTube Studio, go to Subtitles, choose the short, select the language track, then delete the file and save. If captions are auto-generated, you can toggle CC off while watching to hide them, or request deletion by editing the transcript in Studio and removing auto captions if the option appears. Once done, double-check the short in a new browser or the mobile app to confirm captions are gone. Finally, verify that captions are removed by refreshing the short on both the app and desktop. This ensures caches aren't showing old data. If captions reappear, clear your app cache or browser cache and try again, or re-upload a corrected subtitle file to overwrite previous captions. Make sure you have owner or editor access in YouTube Studio. If you don't, ask the channel owner to remove captions. If all else fails, contact YouTube support or use the feedback tool to report persistent auto caption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.